English to Arabic Translation and Interpretation Services by Syed Legal Translation, Syed. Legal Translation stands as a trusted provider of English to Arabic translation and interpretation services in the heart of the United Arab Emirates. Recognizing the significance of precise and culturally sensitive language solutions, our team is dedicated to facilitating seamless communication for businesses, individuals and organizations in this dynamic and diverse landscape. Our experienced translators excel in transforming English content into accurate and culturally relevant Arabic translations. Whether it's legal documents, business communications, or technical materials, we ensure that every translation maintains clarity, precision, and cultural resonance. In addition to written translation, our expert interpreters at Syed Legal Translation are adept at real-time language interpretation during meetings, conferences, and events. They skillfully bridge language gaps, allowing participants to engage meaningfully without hindrance. What sets Syed Legal Translation apart is our commitment to not only linguistic accuracy, but also an understanding of the cultural nuances inherent in both English and Arabic. This awareness ensures that our translations and interpretations not only convey the intended message, but also respect and align with the cultural sensitivities of the audience. Choose Syed Legal Translation for your English to Arabic language needs and experience a reliable partner dedicated to breaking down language barriers, fostering cross-cultural understanding, and enabling effective communication in the diverse landscape of the UAE.